Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily create your own contact form. Before we start, in a link down below in the description you'll have option to get 20% off with Honeybook using my link. So you can easily claim the discount if you want to, if you are on a, let's say, free trial and or you didn't create your account yet, you can easily claim the discount. So let's go into the video and let me show you how you can actually create your own form. I will go to tools here, and under lead capture I'm going to find contact form. Click on it, and then you're gonna have to edit this. So what we can actually find here on the left side, we can find design, that I can change the colors and fonts, and you can easily change the text color, that you can have it let's say it's going to be blue now, or I can have it black. Input border, so again I can have it see this is the border here. Then you can change also the background. I'm going to leave it like this, but here you can have it. Then on a you can change the colors of the button, so you can easily change the button text, that's like the send here, and then the button color. So let's say the button, we want to have it green. And then you can have also option to have background color that you can also change. I'm not going to leave red, of course, but you can easily change that too. And here you can easily change the colors. When we go further, you can have the fonts here, and fonts you can have Proxima Nova. Customize your fonts, so where you can easily just change the fonts here of the button and also of the body. And when you're gonna have it, the next thing that you can actually change are settings. So for settings are who is the lead recipient. If you're gonna have multiple people, you can choose it right here. After form completion, redirect to. So if you're gonna have the you can easily have your own custom URL. So let's say that this is going to be your elite form, and if someone is going to click there, you're gonna redirect them somewhere, and that's where you can actually do it. Or default thank you message. Then you can easily also preview it here. Thank you, your message was sent successfully. Then assign project type, and you can easily have let's say coaching. So assign a default project type to your contact form that will trigger an automation based on that project type for all incoming inquiries. So you can actually have it here. So assign project. Now when we go further, you're gonna have for after settings contact form, and I can simply click here add a contact form. And you're gonna find multiple contact forms right now. So you can easily add them new one. Now, how to actually edit your contact form. So you see here that we have a full name, email, phone number, project date, address, all of that. To actually edit it, you can check out the examples here that you can use. That you don't have to create it by yourself. You can choose them to do it for you. So you can easily use templates, but to actually edit it, to add another something to your form, I can click plus here, and I can switch between content and questions. So content can be, let's say, full width text. That's the same thing that we have right here. So I'll add second name, and I can have text here, or I can have question, or short text, long text, or you can simply add a content. So the full width text could be in the beginning, cover image, left align, 2 images. So I can simply also add, I can choose the image here, drop the image. So this is me with the camera. Save. And I can have a text here. I can click plus here, and I can have questions. So I'm going to delete those and also delete this. And let's say I have full name, I have email, and let's say I'm going to click plus here, and I want to add not full name. Let's say first I'm going to have name, And then I will have short text, and it's going to be surname. And then write your surname here. So as you can see, we can easily add questions like these. And then you can have also to have a drop down. So we can have, are you hungry? And we can simply add options here. So we can, yes, no, right? Then I can click plus here again, and I can have a single choice or multiple choice. So let's say that I'm going to have a multiple choice. How many, what are your pets' names? And then I can add option. So I will add here, let's say it's going to be Clea, Abby. And then I can add another one. So I can add multiple choice and then date picker. So question here, what and where are you born? Born, and then you're going to choose the date here. And now on every single one of these, you can add a settings, and you can change it if it's going to be required. So let's say I'm going to have it required. And when I have it, you can like tell me more about this project. That's like when you're going to click plus, question, short text. Or long text. So this is a long text. Now when you have it and when you're going to change everything, you can preview it on the top right and see and like how it actually works. Email, phone number, project date, all of that you can edit. And then on the top right, you can easily publish it. And then you can easily copy the code. You can like combine it and integrate it with other web development tools. And that's pretty much it, how it works. So thank you very much guys for watching. And this is how it works. Now you can have like also the embedded instructions here. And you see like what you can actually do here. Now again, if you're in a trial and if you didn't get any discount, you can get discount with me, 20%. And you can easily use that if you want to. So yeah, thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.